Thank you for. Okay, what this title app children where we are app children ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చేసినాం పేరెంటే కదా children. Okay, click title anywhere that I think somewhere used on task 1. I will put all these comment here. Done. Okay, pages dashboard. So I am kept this in comment. So directly I am using, don't confuse. Again I have title task 2. Okay. Okay. Yeah, తన ప్రాబ్లిక ద HTML కోడ్ షేర్ చేయి మళ్ళీ నేను కొత్తగా ఏం పెడతా కానీ
ఓకే సార్
Okay, this is the table. Why? So we have to is the table is required. Okay, is the table by default we are setting to false, not false, true. Okay na, means is table means we are showing the by default table. That's why this table will show what is data source dot employees, data source data service, sorry. So I will use, okay, one more service. I am creating the one more service here. Okay, ng generate service data means data service. She did already. You can create any service already, otherwise you can use old one also. So I created data service. In data service, so I am creating the employees. Don't put variable declaration. Start with small only. Don't capital, put employees. Okay na, employees, this is the array by default empty. Clear? So this data service I am using in constructor here, correct? Public response here data
ఎస్ సార్
service. మీకు అర్థమైనట్టే అర్థమవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ అర్థం కాదు. డేటా సర్వీస్ నేను ఏం చేశాను అంటే ఒక సర్వీస్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ ఏ సర్వీస్. ఇన్ దట్ సర్వీస్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ ద వన్ అరే. దిస్ అరే ఐ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎంటైర్ అప్లికేషన్ బై ఇంపోర్టింగ్ మీన్స్ ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ దిస్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఇన్ కాంపోనెంట్. సో ఐ ఇనిషియలైజేషన్, సో here done we initialization of data service. So we can access the whatever that service having the methods, variables, whatever in that service we can access in this component based on this initialization variable. So I used that one, this data service dot what is that array employees. This is the array. Okay na? Okay. Now why still we are getting error? Any ng for table is table done na? Edit map. Okay, this method is she done na? So I am removing basic. Okay, so now our table is ready. Did you added any styles? I think you added styles. I think share that styles also.
Bootstrap lo.
Bootstrap import చేశారా?
Yes, sir.
So by I am adding the bootstrap link directly, this CDN will take care. Okay na? Done. So this is the CDN, means directly getting from the server. Clear? Otherwise we can download this file and use then you can download this one and import in index.html. So I am using the, she used it already, same thing. Okay, clear. So up to now clear na everyone? By default this is the table is the we are showing by default table. So if you click on add button, that time you are setting to false. Okay, if false, so we are enable the children. Clear? This is the children. Otherwise I will create one component. Yeah, better. Form control. Okay, that is the form controller. So this form controller I am using. So forms, instead of forms I put. So I am removing all those things. This is the basic template. So if I click add, forms will work. Clear? So your ad will not come. Ad kuda raavaddu. We'll do that one, don't worry. So basic this, if forms, share that code also.
Share చేసా సార్.
Please listen carefully. మీరు ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేసిరు అనేది చూసుకోండి. This is the form. Okay na? Here this is the don't put model these types. So you done for employee related now. So simply create the one employee. So employee class. Clear? So class name should be capital. Clear? This is the most important. Starting letter start with the basic coding capital spelling. Okay, ఇలా అన్నమాట. For example, this for variable declaration use small letter. For example, total count as second letter onwards you can kept in camel case. This is called camel case. First start with T. If second letter is then that time you can put capital total count. For example, this is the variable declaration. If any variable constant, then use capital letter only. For example, interval time, like this. Clear? Use these types of coding level. For follow one coding is better. So if you create a method, for method go like this: for get data, same capital. The basic level of coding means the declaration of. You can put these types only. Directly you can don't put this uh, get data. This is the wrong way. అర్థమవుతుందా నిహారిక? did you get what I explaining? So don't method name use first letter start with small. If any second word will come, you can put capital only. Don't start with method in capital. This is the basic concept. Clear? How to declare a variable for method and class and constants. I think everyone clear. So don't use these types of she did not, that employees is the e capital, don't put like that. So now employee is the class, so she used some property eid, ename, emo. Okay na? Same thing I will use those properties. So eid and copy paste. So eid, this is the string I am by default empty, I am assigning. Next ename,